Okay, we're here na sa Maranan crib. Char.
Yes, kuya.
So we will play Monopoly and we will taste Ate Mai's brownies.
Brownies. Here it is with my name on.
So Ate Mai's brownies. So here it is.
With my name on it because I paid for it. We also have vanilla ice cream that I also paid for and found in 360 Pharmacy.
And also we have Kaka that I paid for it.
And Monopoly, which you also paid for.
So okay, so we're going to play Monopoly, but we don't know the instructions, so just go to the flow with the flow. Yeah. Wow.
Okay, so I'll give you money.
Basta naara diri ah.
So 6 players. 1, 2, 6 na.
This is the house.
I'll divide sa other money.
Where are you
Minutes.
sitting? There ko. Okay na ng ice cream.
Okay, so this is my list. Brownies.
Wow!
So you'll be the judge.
Will be the judge.
You'll be the judge. Since init na siya, so pwede na ito ibatang na
Yeah, ice cream.
ice cream
6.
para malanay.
But we're busy counting money.
Four brand.
Okay.
Ay, ang 20. Ay,
Napay
Saan
sobra.
ako 10?
Nanay 10.
Sige, let's just count it later. Basta na ay kuan.
Four.
Check nila tapita. Ano na lugar. Sana na flood control.
100 to each. Ang 500 Jones.
Uy, address si address ko.
Oo.
50 kayo.
Yan.
Walay sobra guys, let's be honest. Sabihin lang natin Christian Star recorded ito, okay? It's 20 pesos. 20 is for 1 kanipis sa daning kwartahan ni oy, murag mapilo. Murag after first game mag-away ta wala na eh. Gisi na okay for check.
Yes.
10 for.
10 for. I have. Call later. We're starting the game. Show her our food. Show her our food. Brownies.
Brownies ni Ate Mai and then may vanilla.
Ice cream.
Ice cream na pinaghirapan na hanapin.
Oo.
Good kami na. Tatlong Rose Pharmacies. Tatlong pharmacies. Ay, pharmacies.
And then thank you so much for your coffee also. Thank you for your then So what's the ano?
Start.
Kanang you roll it and then you'll start from go.
Here.
Ay, here's
Tanan
mine.
na,
Tanan
mag-start
ta
na.
there. Oh, tanan ta. Diba? Mag-time lang ko, no?
Yeah,
One hour.
isa ka ng tahi-tahi.
Abi, ikaw lang mag-time, please.
Okay.
4. So,
So, 1, 2, count
1, 2, 3,
4
income tax. Ay, bayad agad!
Pay to the bank.
Okay, tapos.
Okay, sige, next, ate. Joanna.
Jonah.
Di ba? Income tax again.
Oo.
We should check if my car na.
Ay, parang may nag-beep-beep.
10. So, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Right? So,
If you get like all 3 reds, mag-increase yung rank mo.
Trafalgar Square.
You also have... Sige, go. Bea. 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Free parking.
So, does she skip or wala,
Wala
lang?
na, wala. Wala siya ginabayad.
11.
350. You wanna buy?
Mahal
Or
for
pass?
Ganun ako mobile.
You're cute.
Ala.
Napa ba?
Iha pa siya.
Basta kaning mga tax wala na nino para lang nila
Yung
sa
aking purple na bag.
Wala.
Ay, yan lang eh.
Si Maylin.
Sige, pilaman. Eh, mga 22. You have to pay her 22.
Ikaw na kita giya na ba?
Ah, really? So, mauna niya?
No.
Wala pa. I'll pay ate
Yung purple bag nasa farm.
Oh!
Nasa likod.
Happy kayo siya nakakuha.
Ito na lang. I'll move the car man later kay parking.
Okay, I need the laptop to pass.
Now na?
Yeah.
Hindi, kay 60 pesos raman sa.
Kalagot mo.
To bunker, magot siya news na siya. Insider news ba?
Kasi mga anomalous diri ha. Isa may atong whistleblower. 13.
13.
13. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Greedy
8 community chest.
Who's the old guy?
No, di.
Ako ang maya.
Kaya siya.
Community.
So, okay, 50.
50.
Oh.
Kung sama ni si Shona. Mo, di mo ako na kay sa bank. Yes, bantayin eh. Bantayin kay Murag. Discount na ta diri ang dapita.
Grabe.
Discount ta diri ang dapita.
Wala kay Ghost Project, pag-walk magigas bangko.
Wala sa ko nagbantay. Mas ka, upo ka. Pamayasi ba? Kasi malapit na kasi yung ano mo, Bel. Malapit na yung turn mo. So si Bro is
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
income tax.
Oh, ayan.
Wala na. Quits mo. 200, 200.
Kung makaganyan naman. Diyan ka nga kumukuha.
Or 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Paul Mall.
Wala pa.
Nobody owns it yet.
114.
Di pa ikaw si Bea pa, oy.
Excited. Kasi kita giya sa community chest.
Where's yours?
Who am I?
I don't know.
This one. So,
Oh,
1,
boy.
2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
What's that?
Nobody owns this yet. Regent.
Buy, yeah, I'll buy na lang.
6 na lang.
300.
If I don't buy it, I don't have to do anything.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Mine.
Masa, pagpalit ka.
Palit ka ng balay?
Balay.
So, unsa man?
May balay.
Ano, makabuy ra ka if you own the 3 all colors na.
Ha?
Yeah.
Really? 3 yellows?
You can only buy a house?
Yeah, if na-own mo na yung 3 colors. Kaya nga meron ng negotiating example. Meron akong yellow, na sa akin yung yellow. And then meron akong blue na gusto. So, pwede kami mag-swap para both kami maka-benefit. Yeah.
3 colors. So, what
So dapat
happens?
rent with color set muna. Does
Yeah, color
anybody
set.
owe green?
Kaya nga rented color set.
I
Doon
own
ka na mag-buy
green.
ng house,
What green?
house.
I own Regent.
Okay.
Yun na kayo pwede mag-swap.
Yeah,
The red
I'm
one.
amenable to negotiation.
Okay. Do you own red? No.
Wala, magkuha na sa ka.
So, you need to have like
lang.
3 yellows.
3 yellow,
You pay yourself. You pay yourself.
or yung 2 blues, or yung 3 greens.
Wala lang may.
At least 2?
Ano, kasi yung blue, dalawa lang talaga yung blue.
Ah, okay.
So, what will happen na nag-land siya sa iyang...
Wala lang.
Wala
Wala
lang.
lang.
Okay. Or pay or buy the property.
Sa yellow sa kanya? No, you can't kay sa kanya, kaya Timay
So,
naman.
how would I get the...
Magsabot mo.
Mag-switch kayo or you buy it from her. Kung mag-agree siya.
So, like example,
Like ko tayo kanina, kay Nani, may kamay. Palito na lang ako ng yellow.
Oo.
From para na kayo.
Para na kayo, switch mag-orange and yellow para inana.
or like you buy, so for example, 260 na, I'll buy it for you for 300.
Oh, mga inana. Ano, agreed price niya.
Got it.
Wait for your turn.
Yeah, you can just do it anytime lang.
Ay, we can negotiate na. Okay.
Sige, sige.
Go na dyan.
Oh, my turn na?
Kaya in order man to sila here. So rent and then rent with color set, dapat muna. And then rent with house.
5. Asa kong go? Here.
Kaya nga long game
First
siya.
day. 4. 5. That's who owned 9 man.
Chance.
You have been elected chairperson of the board.
Wow.
Pay each player 50.
Page first.
Is it hot in here?
Everyone?
Yeah.
Pasinsilyoan na natin yung 500 din. Dili, pasinsilyoan na itong 500. Each
1,
person?
2, 3,
Yeah.
4, 5. So,
Pila man.
Ang bilang 500 din mo kaya ano sige.
Ate mag-switch ta sa imuhang
La. Focus, focus now.
kaya maka-complete man kasi mong brown din makabay na kag-house. Eh, konsa.
So, exchange with
Kanang,
Siyang brown, kay Duha lang
Pink.
yung brown.
oo.
Pink.
ay, wow.
Makabay na kag
How much man na si Og?
60. Then mo at kag 100.
Alam mo, if you did not focus and you just said yes. Ay, nako.
11.
Late na giin ko ni bro.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
White cha. Oh, ayan, boy. Naka ni ano.
4
Tayo ko piso.
piso.
Oh, ayun, kuha sa bangko, ha?
Kung ano eh.
So, makabuild nag-house ate.
Yeah, pwede na ka makabuild na.
That's
Once I
easy.
land.
Ideally, you don't need to land na. You can put on it sa turn mo.
Okay.
Ikaw na, bro.
Ako, I'll buy 5 houses.
La!
What?
Sa bank siya punta. And then I get yung 5 green ones.
Wait lang, ha?
He's gonna buy 5 houses kasi
I
nakuha
have
niya yung pink.
3.
He completed man the pink.
Oh,
So, he'll get 5 green houses.
I wait, 6 houses na lang.
How will you, wait lang, you
like-
buy
Yes,
one house?
It says here, man, 100
baba.
each.
So 5 houses.
So 6 na lang kay 600
so
na.
6
Yes.
ka green.
And then ikaw na bahala saan mo ilagay. Ako kay I'll do 2 each.
Mga reflection, ani, Mel, kay don't play with bro.
How do you know how many houses to buy?
It's up to you.
Up to you.
On your budget.
As long as you have 3.
Yeah. As long as na-complete mo ang color.
Yeah, pero if you, ano, taas na
So how much, bro, ang rent with 2 houses?
I wanna get there. I
180.
also need that.
Shucks, so kung mulabay mo dira, guys, 180 na.
Ha?
And yung ibayad kay bro.
Mulabay or mulan?
Land.
Gets.
Or depende sa to which one per around that.
Okay.
Sige, who's next?
Pero ang worth niya is na here
Oo
or
na here. Imuha kay
50.
Duha naman so 50 each house ra. So mas more houses imo mabay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 35.
10. 2, 3, 4. Sige na, John. Bilis na to. Ako,
Income
ano
tax
yung mo blue.
refund collect 20 from the
Kasi mo i-exchange sa imo.
Whatever you want.
Pwede duha.
Kerry.
It's worth 400.
Kerry, I know. Kerry. Wait lang.
Well, that escalated quickly.
Sige, okay ra ko. Okay ra ko.
Make it exciting. I will also.
Sige, okay ra ko. Ge.
Yellow and orange.
Sige, ge. Mas mahal man na dira. Oh, masa man na.
Mahal ba yung rent dyan sa'yo?
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Well, you have na your blue.
I have na blue, so what happened?
Later na. So
Later.
you can buy.
I'm next na?
Yeah, ikaw na.
You can buy na now. Two.
So, sige, I will buy na.
Where's yours? Move yours first.
Asam na.
2.
1, 2.
Electricity.
Eight.
Kay Kenny. O sige, you buy na.
I wanna buy... 200. 200. Sige, I'll buy... Kaya rin. Doon ta na, guys. I'll buy...
Kung wala mo na buy sa imo, wala
na. Sure ko na.
By faith
I
daw.
will invest. Wait lang. Wait lang, let me think. How much? Pero I can buy at as many.
Property,
I mean,
oh.
like, this is not the only time that I can buy.
Anytime.
So, pwede pa. Okay.
Yeah.
Kuwan lang sa...
Six.
Come on.
Sige, yeah. Wait lang.
Tatlo.
3
Tatlong
ka
house.
green.
Sige.
3 each.
No,
Yes.
no, worth 600 lang.
Kay tag 50 man.
No, tag 200.
200
Sila
yung
iya ha.
Tag 200 ang house.
Dili.
Saman.
4.
I will add...
So 4.
Pag mag-landing ka sa 150, wala.
Wala ka ng pera. Duha na may 500. Duha na palita, duha na.
I'll accept blue lang payment.
Pila pa ni? Duha ka.
Duha na ka
Play ko.
house.
900.
Here. 300 para dun sa dalawa sa train pati sa water park.
John. No, John.
900.
400.
No, John, no.
950.
Whatever.
Don't look.
400.
900.
No, John, no.
400.
971
I can
man.
pass, no?
971.
TL pasa.
John, who owns the other orange?
Me.
She wants to. Can you sell it to me? How much is it?
Oh, okay.
Okay, I wanna exchange it for the
7.
green, which is how much is it?
How do you know how much?
No,
Why is it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
180 na siya.
200 please.
200 na lang.
Ano kanina yung brown?
Jonah Bells! Exchange it there! Jonah Bells! If you wanna buy houses!
Wala pa siya house? Wala
Wala pa.
Okay,
Jonah Bells!
Makapalit naman siya.
And then I'll buy 3 houses pa.
Wow. Nandiyan ana. Give bro.
Luya sa mga mabot.
Agi mo diri guys. Diri gino. The
Jonah Bells, if you wanna buy,
Maria Luisa.
the last one is with me!
Diri, kay mga mahal man niya mga kuan diri. Property. Kuan siya Deca Homes.
Di na na mo, kuha na, diri rami kay Jonah, kay baratuhon. Makakuan pa mig 200, makabayad pa mig kay Jonah.
Tanaw na to kung unsay mas mo kita.
Kumala si
ang
Maylin?
mahal or ang masa nga price.
6.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Conventry.
Wala pa. You wanna buy
Yeah,
it?
buy it.
For 260.
Mahal. Okay, I'm like
So, ano bibay mo ba?
Coven.
Don't, she doesn't go on kay she's rich.
Yeah.
Let's see if everybody houses and you don't.
Wow. Guys, kabalo ba mo pili rent sa akong lugar?
Pila?
500, 600. I'm really hoping na andyan mo lang diri kay.
What I can sell to you, my yellow. How much?
More. Okay. More.
Sell it for 500.
More.
No, okay ako to 60.
Nga naman!
Para mo up na ang rent sa everyone.
I'll buy.
And then you will be bankrupt.
Okay ra, para naman sa akin. Gabi lang no?
Gahaman man ako.
Lagi. Jana Best. It's your birthday. Collect 10 from each player. Thank you, guys.
Wow.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Jonabel, sell it please. It's my birthday. I will not have any money.
3. 1, 2, 3.
Ano?
1, 2, 3. Chance.
Ay.
Your building loan matures. Collect 150.
From each?
No, from the back.
Ano ako rin ito from each.
150. Ang 30.
30. Two houses?
ba?
30.
houses.
Ah, 30.
Okay.
So,
Tapos
this
magbay
title
siya og
sila.
duha ka house.
Pila day ang each house nimo?
200.
200. So, I'll give you 100.
Itagaan ako yung 200. Niagi ko sa go.
Oh. Nasa CCTV.
Uy, kamahal na ba ni Lord? 10.
Jonabel!
Ano siya ni Jonah
Ay,
Ade?
wait lang, Mimi pa, Mimi pa. Sorry.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Nine.
7.
9.
Oh, Ate Jonah
1, 2,
needs at
3,
least
4, 5,
8.
6, 7, 8, 9. Who owns this?
Ako 6.
Jones, please!
Lord.
200!
Guys, kaba mo ang rent na
Lord,
morning?
10.
1/4.
Ha?
What?
Yeah, yeah.
Lord, 10.
6.
6. Oh my.
Oh God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wala pa. 100.
Wala na siya. Wow!
Jonabel! Actually, di ba? Later. When we need it.
Wala na akong property.
She sold everything in her name.
To hike up the rent.
Not to follow Jesus.
11.
11. Asan ako?
Nasa?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Orange.
Me is $14, please.
Okay.
Imuha na unta ni Jones. Nakakuha unta kag 28. Sure. Wala mo ko chance, adi.
10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay! Kamalo sa tanan.
4 houses. 4 houses,
Brato
bro.
na.
625.
What? 25.
Wala, at least naka-balos-balos ta.
Lagi, thank you, Lord. Thank you, bro. 25.